Hello, Chadsford students and staff. Welcome to CFES News. My name is Shreya. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Good day, explorers! Broadcast Cal here with the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone stand up and say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job, everyone! Now get out there and explore, discover, and create. Broadcast Cal.
Today is Thursday, May 18th, 2023. It is C-Day of the Letter Day Cycle. Fun fact, today is Reese's Day. That's right, the holiday was created by the Hershey Company in 2010 to celebrate the all-time favorite candy known as Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. What's your favorite variety? Upcoming events. Today is CFE Spring Open House. Hope to see you all tonight for Kona Ice, the DJ, and Bubbletopia. Next week, we have the spring concert. Lunch today, mac and cheese with a breadstick, Italian hoagie, Uncrustable kit, chicken Caesar salad, craisins, cucumber coins, and roasted broccoli. Birthdays today, none. Sports update. It's a sad day to say the Sixers are out of the NBA playoffs. But if you want to keep watching, we have a game of the Lakers and the Nuggets. Let's see what the weather looks like today. Victoria, how's it looking outside?
Hello everyone and welcome to the weather. We have sunny skies throughout the day with a high of 67 degrees. Tonight, clear skies with a low of 48. Back to you, Shreya.
That wraps up today's news. From everyone here in the Media Lounge, thanks for watching CFES News. Have a great day.